Nuclear fusion, the power of the sun, could give humanity unlimited clean energy. For decades, it's been called always 30 years away. But now, scientists have made a breakthrough. Could this finally change everything? What fusion is? Fusion is when two light atoms combine into one, releasing massive amounts of energy. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms, fusion produces no long-term radioactive waste, just clean power. The breakthrough. In 2022, scientists at the Lawrence Livermore Lab achieved ignition, creating more energy from fusion than they put in. It was the first time in history humanity proved fusion could actually work. The projects. International projects like ITER in France and startups like Commonwealth Fusion are racing to build working fusion reactors. Billions are being invested worldwide. The benefits. If successful, fusion could power entire cities without carbon emissions, fuel shortages, or nuclear disasters. One glass of seawater could power a household for centuries. The challenges. But fusion isn't ready yet. The tech is complex, reactors are expensive, and scaling it for the grid could take decades. Some say it's still far away from reality. Still, fusion could be the most important energy breakthrough in history. The only question is, will we see it in our lifetime? Would you trust nuclear fusion to power the world? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for more deep dives into the future of energy and technology.